gotta keep that bike. Rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bike. Rubber side down.
Well, I've lost the GoPro 7 footage. It's a pile of shit. It's not worked out for me. It's just not worked. It doesn't like me. Yes, camera issues. We love them, eh? We love them. So if you didn't hear before, I'm out with my lamb chops and a bunch of other people, some of who I've already met in the past, many years ago. So this is really quite awesome. Unlike my skills over rocks, apparently. Jesus, the arm pump is real. The arm pump is real. Yeah. So we're out landing. We're out landing, having a giggle, having a laugh, doing lanes I've not done before, or at least so far we are anyway. Going to be moving on to some I've done in a bit. But man, the arm pump is real in this place. Oh. I'm staying in the water this time. Staying in the water. The water goes where we order, whereas the mud doesn't. Still got chops in. Still got chops in. This is slimy. This is the way they went apparently. Yeah. I really need to lube my throttle cable up. It's really causing me issues. It's so stiff. The Levis is. Is he alright? Have we lost Chopsy? Can't get in gear. Oh, he made it. He went the brave way. He went through the water. Oh yeah. This is a good lane. It's a good lane. I'm sitting down though. Lazy little worm that I am. My throttle cable is so stiff, I really need to do some maintenance on that. Oof. Oh man, the wrist pump's real. We can keep going. We've done it. Have we done it? Yes, we've done it. God. Oh yeah. Chops is still behind me. It's all good. Whew. Jesus! Yeah, it's easy going down, isn't it?
Oh man, this really wasn't my day. Yeah,
my GoPro Hero 7, which I set up as a helmet camera, just doesn't work. It's the worst GoPro I've ever had. It's just been completely unreliable, and yeah, it's beginning to grate on me that I am losing footage when I'm out doing new things, discovering new lanes, meeting new people. So yeah, I'm a bit miffed, and also you'll notice there's no audio here either, and that's because the GoPro Max decided not to record any audio at one stage during the ride. So yes, GoPro issues, they're amazing. Anyhow, it was a brilliant little bit of laning we did today. I went down to meet up with Lamb Chops and a few other people down at Lumi's, and then we went out and hit some lanes. Yeah, I'm guessing the Christmas period has turned me into a weeble or something. Saying that, I managed to fall down an awful lot, so yeah, maybe not a weeble, just an idiot. So yes, it was a brilliant day. It didn't do very much. I left early. Yeah, I think I just wasn't feeling it. I wasn't riding very well, and with the GoPro issues as well, I just kind of, I don't know, my brain just said it was time to go home. The other guys carried on and went on and did a few more lanes after I disappeared off. It was awesome to meet them, really awesome to meet them. Really nice, friendly bunch of guys, and it turns out that I knew one of them from my past, back when I was on Gixxer Junkies and stuff like that, and hanging around Portsdown Hill with broken backs and things. Yeah, met a chap that I used to sort of hang around with, which was very, very awesome. Nice to meet you again, Wayne. Anyhow, right, this video is a pile of crap because like all I do is go down a hill in silence from now on in. So yeah, right, let's get myself out of here. If for any reason you like this video and you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button. I will sort my audio issues out, and I will sort my camera issues out. It's a theme at the moment that they're all going wrong, but it's just teething problems. I will sort them out. Yeah, if you enjoyed the bit of this which did have some audio, please feel free to give it a little thumbs up, and if you didn't, you can always give it a little thumbs down. And if you like watching me fall off and stuff, you might well want to watch some of my other videos, because I do it every now and again, and it's always fun to watch someone make a tip of themselves. I'm quite good at it. Anyhow, if you've got any tips for the GoPro Hero 7 getting it to work, that would be great. If you've got any tips for not falling off my motorbike quite so often, that would be great too. Whatevs, drop in a comment. I'd love to hear from you, whether it's taking the mickey out of me for being rubbish at motorcycles, or tips and tricks and stuff like that, or just saying hello. That would be brilliant. Anyhow, you ride safe, take care, and I shall catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Gotta keep that bike rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bike rubber side down.